right, math minions, here we go. The next one. This is going to be on page 96 of your textbook. This is multiplication and division. Still looking at properties of equality. And guess what? Seriously, I wanted you to guess, but hey. All right. So, what I want you to know is it's exactly the same thing as, hey, what we did already in adding and subtracting. So watch this. Properties of division, multiplication and division. So multiplication, when we're looking at that, if the same number is multiplied to both sides of an equation, then both sides will remain equal. I'm going to take a sip of my beverage. Needed that. All right, and you guessed it, division. If both sides of an equation are divided by the same number, both sides will remain equal. Duh. Too easy, right? Exactly. So let's see how that works out in real life. So I've got an equation, x divided by 4 equals 12. Okay? So it's already using division. So again, we're just going to use the opposite and make sure that it stays equal. So if we're already dividing by 4, then we're going to multiply by 4. So multiply the x divided by 4 over 1 and multiply 12 by 4 as well. Ready? So we've got 4 times x over 4. Okay, this is really 4 over 1. Okay, those 4's cancel out, right? Because 4 over 4 is just a 1, big giant 1. So all we're left with on that side is a x. And then this side we've got 12 times 4, that's 48. So x equals 48. You can check it by taking your answer, 48, and sticking it up here where the x is, and doing 48 divided by 4. Well, 48 divided by 4 is 12. Look at that, it worked. Yay! All right, so let's look at this one. 18 is equal to, now this says -3. I want you to just kind of scribble that negative out because, as I told you, 6th grade, we're not doing adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, positive and negative numbers. You get to do that next year in 7th grade. So right now, it's just going to be 18 divided by 3 times y. Get rid of that negative sign. Just get it gone. All right? Maybe I should just get it gone here in the thing as well. If I click on insert and shape and get a little, I don't know, something, maybe a little teeny tiny something here. Can I get a little teeny tiny circle and get it out of there? And then we don't want to outline, no outline, and we don't want any filling. We want it to just be white. And does that work? Oh, close. Let's move it over. Boop, boop. All right, look at that. Now it's 18 equals 3 times y. That's what we're looking for. All right, so 18 is equal to 3 times y. So we're going to use the opposite. We need to divide both sides by 3. So this side by 3 and this side by 3. Ready? So, and again, remember, they put negative. Just ignore that negative. I'm so sorry. Just ignore that negative. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. You got this big giant 1 there in front of the y. So, woohoo, y. And you can check it by sticking the 6 in there. 3 times 6 is 18. Yup, that works. Okay? So the next one is multi-step. Oh my God. Yes, it's okay. It's easy enough. Okay? Now this one, you know how we told you to multiply and divide first and then add and subtract? Not when you're trying to get everything away from that y. First thing you want to do, get everything away that you can that's not attached to the y. All right? So as you can see, the 4 is attached to the y. The 4 is the coefficient for our variable of y. But this constant and this constant, the positive 3 and the negative 1, we can get rid of those first. All right? So here's how we do it. We've got 3 plus 4y equals, or minus 1 equals 18. So we're going to put the 3 and the minus 1 together. That gives us 2, right? Because 3 minus 1 is 2. So now we've got 2 plus 4y. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. 18 minus 2 is 16. And on this side, all we've got left is 4y, right? And then, when we divide by 4 on both sides, y is equal to 4. Woohoo! Not bad. We got it all, right? Do, 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 do. And you can even see this check. You can check it if you want. You should always check your own work. All right? I know that you're taking forever to write it down because that's a lot to write down. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Make sure you pause. For those of you that didn't pause, I took a nice big swig of my beverage. And now, here we go. Sheila earned $3 for every book that she read for the library fundraiser. Okay? She got $39 altogether. So how many books is that? $39 divided by the number of books. Right? Well, if we divide the 39 by 3, 39 divided by 3, that gives us our books. So, if we go here, we've got $39 equals 3 times each book. That's how they did the problem. $39 equals 3 times one book. So, if we divide by 3 on both sides, 39 divided by 3 is 13. And 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that gives us a big invisible 1 in front of our B. And so we have 39 divided by 3 is 13. And 3 times B divided by 3 is B. So how many books did Sheila read? She read 13 books. Dude, I can do that easy. So, total money, $39. Books read is B, and we know that one book is equal to $3. One book is $3. Well, she got $39, so if you divide that by the 3, she read 13 books. Got it? Moving on to the last one. Here we go. Oops. We're going to solve. 42 is equal to, oh my God, I know you guys are just freaking out right now. 42 is equal to 3x plus 9 divided by 2, right? So, I'm going to talk it through, and then I'm going to put it up and show you what it looks like, okay? First thing you're going to do is get rid of any fraction. We want to get rid of that 2. So, since it's divided by 2, we want to multiply by 2. So, when you times by 2 on both sides, that gets rid of that 2 right there. That 2 is gone now. Boop, boop, boop. You can't see it. Pretend you can't see it. All right? And that 42 is now 84. So 84 is equal to 3x plus 9. So then we're going to do subtract 9. 84 minus 9 and 3x plus 9 minus 9 gives us just 3x. And this is 84 minus 9. So that'll be 73. 72? 75. 75. Boy, I'm just... 75. Trying to do it in my head. 75. So 75 is equal to 3 times x. Well, that means we divide by 3 and divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to be just x, because there's a big invisible 1. 75 divided by 3 is 25. Okay? Now, I just talked you through Now I'm going to flip and show you the writing of it, right? So here we go. I told you, the first thing we're going to do is times 2 and times 2 to get rid of that 2 right there. It's gone. Now it's 84 is equal to 3x plus 9. Okay? So we're now going to subtract 9 on both sides. And that gets rid of that 9, so we're left with just the 3x. And then 84 minus 9 is 75. So 75 is equal to 3 times x. We divide by 3 to get rid of that. 3 divided by 3 is our invisible 1. 75 divided by 3 is 25. And you can, of course, check this should you desire. Right? Oh my goodness, that was a lot of work. I know. So, you guys, get your CK12 done, get your IXLs done, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!